welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today we are going to see a comparison video of Cadbury Dairy Milk Crispallo and Nestle KitKat. Before that, if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe to us by clicking that subscribe button down and hit that bell icon to get all the videos from us. So, without wasting any time, let's start. First, let us speak about Crispallo. Crispallo is product of dairy milk and KitKat is the product of Nestle. You will able to see the cost of product, that is 10 rupees. If I want to look at the packaging, then I like the packaging of Dairy Milk Crispallo. Chocolates are vegetarian, as you will able to see green dot on it. If I want to speak about nutritional information about the product, then on KitKat you will able to see nutritional information about the product in table form. But if I want to speak about nutritional information about Crispallo, then you will able to see that they have just given it like a normal information. According to me, if they have given in a table format, then it have been damn better for a customer to read that and understand in a better manner. The net weight of Dairy Milk Crispallo is 3.0 gram and the net weight of KitKat is 12.8 gram. If I want to speak about manufacturer of Dairy Milk Crispallo, then it is manufactured by Mondelez India Food Private Limited. KitKat is manufactured by Nestle India Limited. Now guys, let's unbox both this product and see which one looks better and tastes better. This is how Crispallo looks from inside and this is how it looks from front side. You will able to see two chocolate fingers. Now I'm going to open KitKat for you. You will able to see nice silver packaging for KitKat. This packaging acts as a protective layer for KitKat. You will able to see how nicely they have designed this and they are taking care of customers, and Nestle is taking care of customers also by providing a nice packaging. Plus, they take care that their product is properly delivered to their customers. Packaging wise, I will say that KitKat has much better preference and they take small things into consideration and they make sure that their products are delivered to their customers in a better manner. I have tasted Cadbury Crispallo for you and I can say that this is good and there is crispiness in the product, as there are able to see this crunchy balls inside. So when you are eating this, you actually feel the crunch. Now let's taste KitKat. You will able to see how neat this product is. And without applying much force, I have taken this small piece and now I am going to taste it for you. This is also very nice and I am able to crispiness of wafer. If I want to give a chance to both from this, then definitely I'll be going for KitKat, as they have kept in mind the presentation, then the product look very presentable to your eyes. Secondly, wafer is very nice and it look neat. So next time I am going to purchase KitKat only.